Okay, so are you looking at my screen? Screen is clear?
White screen, yes.
Okay, let's double candlestick pattern we are going to learn. Everybody knows, I know, but there are some points which I want to discuss, and then we will discuss how to trade this double candlestick pattern. Okay, first of all, bullish patterns. Which is this pattern?
Engulfing.
Engulfing, bullish engulfing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one point which is very important in the bullish engulfing, that is the 50% of the green candle. This line I took from the 50% of the green candle. What's the reason why I took this line? If your red candle is greater, is above than this line, then it's your bullish engulfing. If this red candle closes here like this one, then this will be not engulfing. Engulfing means the green candle 50% must be this red candle broken. Okay, the size of red candle must be greater. Now see here, which is this pattern?
Outside bar.
Outside bar. But mostly traders, they are thinking this is also engulfing. See, it's an outside bar, and the 50% of the green candle, the red candle is smaller than the 50% of the green candle. So this is the difference between the bullish engulfing and outside bar. The trading will be different, trading rules will be different, and the structure is also different. Okay, which is this pattern? Yes, Fawaz.
Piercing?
Which is this pattern?
It's a piercing line.
It's a piercing line.
Yes.
Piercing line is a bullish pattern, or the piercing line is a bearish pattern?
Darkness is from above, below.
My question is, this pattern is a bullish or it's a bearish?
Bullish.
I think bullish, sir.
Yes,
Bullish,
we are talking about bullish patterns, right? Because I'm just taking your consideration. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See here, piercing line. Again, we are interpreting the piercing line with the 50% of the red candle. In the bullish engulfing, which 50% we was taking? The green candle. And now we are taking the big candle, which is the red. So the green candle must be greater than the 50% of the red candle, then it will be the piercing line. Otherwise, it will be the inside bar. Right? That is the difference. So you can see the bullish engulfing and difference of the outside bar, the piercing line and the difference in the inside bar. These difference you need to understand. Okay? And then you can see, which is this pattern? It's inside bar. Yes. Is it inside bar? Communicate with me.
Some kind of
No, I don't know, sir.
No, sir, because there is a gap.
harami or something anemic. I don't
Yes,
remember.
yes, harami.
Yes, someone say harami.
Bullish harami.
Yes, it's a bullish harami pattern.
Yes, yes.
Because the open
Bullish
price
harami.
is above than the close price of the red candle, and the close price of the green candle is below than the open price of the red candle. So that will be your bullish harami. So here, the open price of the green candle and the close price of the red candle is equal. That's why it's an inside bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 patterns for the bullish pattern. And same 5 patterns you will find in the opposite direction. Let's see. Opposite of bullish engulfing, same rule. Opposite of outside bar, same rule. Opposite of piercing line. What will be the name of this pattern? The cloud cover. Okay. And then inside bar, bearish around me. Okay, so these are the 10 patterns which are the double candlestick pattern. Oh. Who one tell me what are the primary patterns? Anyone have idea?
Bullish engulfing and piercing line.
Which are the primary patterns?
I think it will be invert hammer.
Inverted hammer is a primary pattern, right?
Yes.
And then how many patterns are primary? How many patterns? All single candlestick patterns are primary patterns, right? All single candlestick patterns are primary. If I do a candlestick match with a bullish engulfing, which will be the primary pattern out? Body to body, it will become a wick. Body to body, it will become a wick. Remaining body is your this one. So this is your hammer, which is your primary pattern. This will be your a bullish candle, not its hammer. Got it? This is bullish pattern, bullish candle. It's not a hammer. Hammer you will find from the bullish engulfing. This one, which is this pattern? See here.
Bullish.
A piercing line pattern is equal to the bearish pin bar.
Yes.
So bearish pin bar
Yes, yes.
means we are thinking that the sellers are getting weak, buyers are getting control. Okay, so sellers are weak and buyers are getting control. So this pattern, if you find the two candles, it will be your piercing line. See, all the patterns, all the double, triple, 4 candlestick patterns, when we will subtract, it will be your single primary pattern. So single primary pattern you need to understand. Which will be this pattern? This one. Okay. This is not a hammer. This is like a hammer. This is a bearish candle, right? Weak bearish candle.
Bearish.
Now this is how I can count this one. I will count this one like a this. Only the upper level of the body will be counted, right? So don't confuse that a lower body is not a jump. It means it filled this one. The jump of the open price means it is filling this gap, right? And then this one, these patterns. Which will be this pattern? This is your pattern when we subtract. That's why I'm telling that the inverted hammer is a strong candle from the seller side, and the bullish hammer is a strong candle from the buyer side. Which is this pattern? It's an inverted hammer or it's a bearish candle?
Bearish candle.
Very good.
Candle.
And which will be this one pattern? A dark cloud cover. What we will find? We will find this pattern. Okay.
Little bit confusing, sir.
Why it's confusing? Tell me where it's confusing. I can clear.
Because of the green color.
Because of the green color, if you count
Yes,
that
yes,
this is the open close price and this is the open price, right? And this is the close price.
Yes, sir.
Which body is remaining?
Green.
So that is the green body.
Yes, yes, yes. Right, sir. Right. Okay.
Minus
Fine.
and plus, right? This is a simple mathematics.
Yes, sir.
For example,
Yes, sir.
2, we are subtracting from 1, 2 minus 1, what will be answer? 1, right? So,
Right.
for example, minus 1, minus 1. It will be minus 2.
2.
Plus 1, plus 1. It will be plus 2.
2.
So 2 green candles we will add. 2 red candles we will add. But when the 1 red, 1 green, or 1 red, 1 green, it will be subtract. Right? See here.
Yes.
A 1 green candle. Okay? And the another green candle. These 2 candles will not be subtracted. These will be added to each other. This is the next candle of these 2 candles. Got it? These 2 candles
Yes,
are
sir.
added, and now it is become this candle. So a spinning candle, it means it is a combination of 2 green candles, for example, right? So here, this candle will be this bullish candle. It's not an inverted hammer. This is, and this candle will be also this candle. So bearish harami and dark cloud cover have a same. The bearish harami and dark cloud cover have a same power, but the inside bar is the weakest pattern. It is weak pattern, but the piercing line and bullish harami have an equal power, right? So this one and this one is equal power. This is very weak pattern, and this is normal pattern. This is strong, and this is strong plus exhaust pattern. Mostly when you will find the outside bar, the next candle will reverse back. Mostly. Or sometimes the outside bar is the reversal sign of any trend. So outside bar is a very different psychology as compared to the bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, right? So primary patterns you found from 2 candlestick. When you subtract or add it, that you got the primary patterns. Every time you will find these primary patterns, which we learned yesterday. Okay. So these patterns psychology and its formation, is it clear? The formation is clear of these patterns?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we are going to move the 3 candlestick pattern, and then we will learn the how to trade. I saved this picture. Now come to here. 3 outside up bullish pattern. This is the combination of 2 candlestick pattern. This pattern is a combination of 2 candlestick pattern. Which is this pattern? Yes, communicate with me. Unmute yourself.
Is it a hammer?
It's a bullish engulfing, and then plus 1
Oh.
strong candle.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A bullish engulfing plus 1 strong candle. It creates which pattern? 3 outside up. Remember it, right? See here.
Yes.
Bullish engulfing plus 1 strong candle. Not 1 weak candle. 1 strong candle. If there is a weak candle, then we are not counting 3 outside up. If it is a strong candle, then we are counting the 3 outside up. For example, if I draw this candle, it's a bullish engulfing, right? And then I draw this pattern. So it's look like a 3 outside up, but we are not counting as a 3 outside up in a binary option. Keep in mind, this candle must be equal size of this green candle. Okay. And then
Okay.
with the outside bar, one strong candle also we can count as a 3 outside up. And in other words, it is called the Morris engulfing. The another name of this pattern is Morris engulfing. Morris is a trader who invented this pattern. Let's find 3 inside up. What's the difference between now you just to understand this pattern, why it's the outside, why there is a name of outside. The second green candle is closed outside the red candle. The second green candle is closed outside the red candle. When this second candle closes inside the red candle, then it will be 3 inside up. It will be 3 inside up. Check here. This green candle where it's closed under this open price, and then it's a strong candle. It is called the 3 inside up. This is the difference, right? Is it clear, this difference? Any question?
It's clear.
It's clear?
It's
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
These patterns are your 3 inside up. Same for the opposite patterns you will find here. A bearish engulfing, one is strong candle, it's a 3 outside down because it's moving down. A outside bar and one is strong candle, it's a 3 outside down pattern. So these patterns are 3 inside down. These patterns are very important. As I am telling you that 3 outside up, 3 inside up, 3 outside down, 3 inside down. These patterns, because of these patterns, you are losing 50% trades in a market. If you learn these patterns, these 50% bad results will be turned into a positive. So these patterns are very, very important. These 4 patterns are very, very important, very, very. Okay. Let's
Yes, sir.
now come to the point. When an engulfing happens, how many possibilities will happen after engulfing? For example, there is an engulfing candle, right? After engulfing, what you are expecting?
Retracement.
You are expecting the retracement. Okay, who said retracement?
Me, Oppo.
Okay. Another possibility?
Yes,
Bullish candle.
it can go up.
Continuation.
Yes, brother. Once again.
Continuation.
Continuation candle, right?
Continuation. Yes.
Okay. Continuation, any continuation candle we are counting in a one side, right?
Yes.
There are 3 to 4 continuation candles, so all in one. Okay. Now the third possibility.
Won't work. Reverse again.
Doji.
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 Decision.
The fourth possibility after engulfing. There are 6.
Gap
There-
up.
No, gap up is not a possibility. Yeah. We are talking on the candles. So after engulfing, which candle can appear here? A strong candle, is it possibility? A strong green candle. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So retracement is a weak candle. Keep in mind. Retracement is what? Weak. Opposite. Okay. It's a weak opposite candle. Then which will be the opposite possibility? Now tell me opposite possibilities.
Strong bullish candle.
Red candle.
Bearish candle, right?
Yes.
And number 6, a strong bearish candle.
Strong raise. Yes.
So how many possibilities are there? 6. And when you are trading, how many possibilities have you in mind? Only retracement. What will be for other? When we are trading the engulfing, only we are thinking about the retracement, but we are not thinking about other 5 possibilities. So when other 5 possibilities happen in the market, we will be confused. Now what we need to do, right? That's why we are unable to trade the engulfing or any type of patterns. See here, there are 6 possibilities, so I'm going to draw the 6 engulfings, right? So all these patterns will be traded in the same way. Even I'm talking on the engulfing, any type of double candlestick pattern will be traded in the same way. There is no different method for every pattern. All patterns will be traded in the same way. Okay. If you understood this pattern, all patterns you can trade. So how many candles are there? 3, 4, 5, one more, right?
6.
So when cricket match, a batsman hit the shot, other 11 members, 11 players in a ground, everyone is thinking, expecting the ball will come to the player. Everyone is expecting, right? But the ball goes to the only one player, right? But when a batsman hits, everyone is expecting maybe the ball can come to me. So everyone is ready. And when in the trading, when you will trade the engulfing, you must be ready for all possibilities. If before happening the possibility you will be ready, then you will take a decision immediately. So first, it can be the retracement candle. So retracement candle is what? It can be the weak candle. It can be the inverted this hammer. It can be the spinning candle. Any candle which is very weak, then it will be your retracement. And retracement candle must be closed where? On this support. This is your possibility number 1. Okay. Now this is a small candle. Which is this pattern? Pay attention. Now tell me, which is this pattern?
It's an inside bar.
Inside bar. Inside bar in the place of retracement. One thing keep in mind, how the choices are contradiction to each other. Look at inside bar in the place of retracement. So this pattern inside bar in the place of retracement. So we are not accepting this inside bar. We are not accepting this inside bar. We are accepting this. This is a retracement candle. So sometimes the patterns we can count, or sometimes we are not counting the pattern. Only the inside bars we will count in a retracement. So this is your retracement. After retracement, what will be the next movement? After retracement, the next movement will be the green. So you can buy. You can buy. Here you can buy. You wait for 1 minute. When you will understand the retracement candle is there, then you can buy here. So the number 1 way, after retracement, we can buy. Okay. So this is a weak candle. It is possible the next candle will be the bearish candle more than the weak candle, right? Which is this candle?
Dark cloud.
Dark cloud cover. So dark cloud cover is a retracement, or dark cloud cover is a pattern?
Pattern.
It's a pattern. So if
Pattern.
the new pattern appear, we will forget this first pattern. Now this pattern will be eliminated. Now think about dark cloud cover. So dark cloud cover again have how many possibilities? Brother, no communication from your side. Why you are not talking with me? Are you confusing yourself? If you are confused, then you talk with me. How you will trade then? Let's talk with me. Look at, if the engulfing have 6 possibilities, then dark cloud cover have how many possibilities?
6.
So we are waiting for the retracement again. This is our rule. Every pattern we will wait for the retracement. So how we can trade the dark cloud cover? It means there will be a 50% of the candle. It is our resistance level. So we will find a green candle, a weak green candle here. Then what we will do? We will place a sell.
Sell option.
Right?
Sell.
Clear?
Yes, right, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Now, first possibility is a weak candle. The second possibility is a dark cloud cover. When the dark cloud cover happens, we eliminate the engulfing candle. Now we are not thinking about the engulfing candle. We are thinking about the dark cloud cover. So is it possible the next candle will be the engulfing?
Yes.
Yes.
So first pattern we will ignore. First pattern, this engulfing we are ignoring, right?
Yes, sir.
And this pattern we will follow. Now tell me, this engulfing have how many possibilities?
6.
6.
We are waiting for
6.
this. We are waiting for what?
Retracement.
Retracement candle.
Then we will trade, right?
Yes.
Right, sir.
So now we are trading the next candle after retracement. If there is no retracement,
Bearish candle.
yes. I'm coming on the next point when there will be no retracement, right? Now I'm just focusing on the retracement candle, right? So there are so many possibilities. So one by one I will go, as you can understand well, right? Now the bearish possibilities are completed. There are 3 bearish possibilities: retracement, dark cloud cover, or engulfing.
Engulfing.
Only there are 3 possibilities from the opposite side. Now the 3 possibilities we will find from the continuation side, right?
Yes.
Okay. We are waiting for the retracement. There is no retracement. There is a green candle, which is a strong one. So which is this pattern?
3 outside. Up.
3.
So this is the engulfing. And now this is a 3 outside.
Up.
Up.
Ignore the engulfing pattern and take the 3 outside up. 3 outside up have how many possibilities?
6.
So wait for the retracement. At the 50% of this candle, you will find the retracement candle. Then you have to trade. Mostly traders, they are placing and then they are losing. So you will trade after this candle. This candle is a tradable. Got it? When after engulfing, when it's a big candle, if you are placing the trade, you are losing this trade. When you are losing this trade, you are thinking maybe buyers are weak, so we go with the seller. When you go with the sale, again the buyers will enter in the market. Understand? This is the first pattern, which is engulfing. When a one candle increased, means this function is closed, new function is open. Which is new function? This is the 3 outside up function is open. Now we will follow the 3 outside up. Wait for the retracement, trade for the next candle. Got it point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm leaving this one and I'm going to the another point. Then I will come back on this point, right? Here. In case if there is an engulfing, in case there is a hammer, maybe inverted hammer, maybe a spinning candle, right?
Yes.
Don't wait, the next candle will be the green. You will trade this candle. Is it easy or it's difficult?
Easy.
That's easy.
Easy.
So means it's a circle. One pattern fails, another pattern created. Another pattern work, another pattern created. Means on every candle, the new pattern is created. Every pattern, the new pattern is created. We will follow the most recent pattern and we will eliminate the previous pattern. But if you are taking this previous pattern again and again, for example, this is a pattern. If you are taking it, thinking about it, and you are not thinking about it, then you will be failed. Let's identify the another possibilities now. See here. In case there is an engulfing candle. In case there is an engulfing
Excuse
candle,
me,
right?
sir.
Yes, brother.
What about Doji, sir?
Yes, I'm coming on it. It's very simple. See here. First of all, the possibility, for example, it's a inverted, it's a dark cloud cover, or it's a engulfing. Another, right? Now, which pattern we will follow? We will follow
Dark
the
cloud?
engulfing, or we will follow the dark cloud cover.
Dark
Okay.
cloud cover.
Okay.
Dark cloud cover.
Okay, so dark cloud cover we are following. If there is no retracement, again there is the engulfing. Which pattern we will follow?
Engulfing.
Engulfing.
Engulfing. Okay, if there is no retracement, there is a engulfing. Which pattern we will follow?
Bearish
Bearish
engulfing.
Bearish engulfing. If there is no retracement, there is a piercing line. Which pattern we will follow?
The
Excellent.
piercing line.
Piercing line. Now you are thinking, what about this portion? Can we eliminate this portion or we trade this portion? Right?
Yes.
Now you are thinking, if I wait for the retracement, means all day will be passed, 4 to 5 trades I will get. But what about this portion? What I need to do? Look at number 1. Is it a strong resistance breakout?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it a strong support breakout?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
If you
yes.
follow a strong resistance breakout, a strong support breakout, you will be winner every time. Now tell me where to trade these strong support and strong resistance. When the patterns fail, you will trade these patterns, these support and resistance when the patterns are failing. They are not following the rules. Here, if you will trade, you will be winner. But if you go in a trend and then where you will find the strong support and resistance and trading, then you will be failed. I understand. Now collect the things together, the things all, how you can make a plan. First of all, think about the pattern. If patterns are not working, see here. Now tell me at this point, I save this picture. This strong resistance will be failed. Why? Tell me.
Because bullish engulfing worked.
Because bullish engulfing after retracement and then it's a continuation. So this strong resistance will be failed. Here, this resistance will not work. Because this rule is complete. Number 1 rule. Number 2 rule. Number 3 rule is following. Then this resistance will not work. It will go up again. Got it, brother?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, this one is not working, right? But the recent one is not working. If there is a strong resistance, now it will work. Again, you will find the next green candle here. Here, if there is no resistance, then one resistance will not work. In case if there are 2 supports or 2 resistance, then it will work. Again, it will give you the green candle. So, what's the game? The game is a cycle. There is nothing, any concept which is very smooth. Everything is, it means repetition of concept again and again, again and again. That is the trading. So I hope you understood very well all these things. More we will review on it and explore these things, but today you understood the way how to read the market. This is the way how to read the market with the rules and regulation. Any confusion, any query?
Very interesting, sir.
Thank you, thank you. This is my research, brother. From so many years, this is my market research, that how to read the market. This type of explanations you will never find any book. Anywhere you will never find. This is just an experience. As I told in the start of the course, that my education will be logical, where you will understand, your mind will accept this explanations. Yes, it is possible, right?
Right, sir. Right.
So now it's your duty, work on it. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow we will be not available for the class. It's holiday. Work on these 3 lectures, and then the Monday we will start the new class. Again, I will talk on these patterns. On the chart, I will talk the patterns, and I will share with you the explanation of the trades. I will take the trades on the concept of this patterns trading, this reading of the charts pattern. These patterns, when I will read in the market, will take the trade, will use the strong support and resistance, breakout. When the patterns are failed, I will share the trades, and in the trading, I will give you the explanation. On the Monday, again, I will talk on these patterns, but on the chart. If it's working, why it's working. If it's not working, why it's not working. But now come to the Doji, right? Doji, why appear?
Right, sir.
Doji appear. Now there are 50% chances. After pattern, there are 50% chances. Doji, it means it's an exchange of buyers and sellers. Maybe there is
the communication.
Yes, maybe there is a green candle. Buyers not want to move up. That's why it's a Doji. Maybe there is a sellers retracement candle. Sellers don't want to create a retracement. This Doji may be from the sellers. So this is Doji, which is 50-50, which is
50-50.
how we can identify in the market that this engulfing green candle, is it closing under the resistance? If it is closing under the resistance, then this is a seller's Doji. Then this is a, because after closing under the resistance, then who will enter? The sellers will enter.
Sellers.
Yes.
So if this candle close under the resistance, then Doji appear, means sellers are not agree, then you go with the buy. Then you go with the buy. But in case if there is no resistance, no breakout, no resistance, no breakout, there is a Doji. If you found in the past there is no resistance, then the next candle will be the red. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So check everything in the market, study on it, and think this is the only way to read the market. If you unable to understand, if you unable to apply this method, again I will teach you this method. Second time again, if you not able to adopt this all explanation, the third time I will explain. Fourth time I will explain, because this is the base. I cannot ignore this topic. This is a very important topic, right? So we will meet on the Monday. Again, if there is any query, I can clear. Otherwise, I can finish the session here.
Sir, I have a query, sir.
Yes, ask, brother.
Sir, Can you elaborate the concept of doji, sir? Actually, how this candle
How
appear?
doji forms, right?
What is the concept?
Okay.
After doji, how bearish candle appears, sir? Actually, that.
Okay,
is
look
the
at.
question.
Okay, it's very easy. See here,
Yes, sir.
the price is moving in up direction, right?
Yes, sir.
If there is no breakout, no resistance level, then what will be the next candle?
Green.
Green. And
Bearish
buyers
candle.
are saying we don't have a power. There is no
Okay,
resistance,
fine,
no
fine,
breakout.
sir.
It will be the green candle. But buyers say we don't have a demand. How we can create a green candle? Then seller's candle will not appear. Sellers will not appear because sellers will say, no, it's against the rule. How we can enter without resistance, without breakout? It's against the rule. Maybe someone can claim there is no resistance, there is no breakout. Why you enter? So sellers will not enter because market is running with the rules. So rule is that if buyers don't have a demand and they don't want to continue, then this session will be draw. This session will be draw. Draw means what? Means buyers are not agree, sellers are not agree. Now this is a extension of the rule. If the buyers are not agree to go up, then now this is a communication and this is the rule to the sellers. Now you can continue. So then sellers will enter in the market. Sellers will enter in the
market.
Why these sellers enter? Because buyers are not agree to move up.
Yes, not
now
interested.
Another example. The candle of the buyer is closed under the resistance, or it closed under the close with the breakout. For example, this time it's closed under the resistance. So when the candle is closing under the resistance, who wants to enter? Who must be enter here? As per the rule, sellers. But sellers say we don't have a supply. Sellers say we don't have a supply. How they will draw? They will draw with the doji. They will draw with the doji. Now it's message to the buyers. Now you can continue. Then buyers will enter. Why these sellers not enter? Because they don't have a supply, or they don't have an interest. Or they don't have a interest, right? Okay. So now, for example, how to identify this is a seller's doji, this is a buyer's doji. Okay. A green candle, then doji, and then red candle. Okay. This can be the possibility. So now work on the possibility. A green candle, the doji, and the green candle. It can be the possibility, right? And then a red candle, a doji, and the green candle. So green candle I'm drawing, and another possibility will be the red, any doji, then red. So here it will be the green, right? So how many possibilities are there? 4. The doji candle can be different. Out of 6 dojis, it can be any doji, right? Look at here. After this doji, the sellers enter. Means this is the buyer's doji. Between the two buyers, if there is a doji, it's a seller's doji. Sellers don't want to enter. Seller's doji, seller's candle, doji, then buyer's candle. It means it's a seller's doji. It's a seller's doji. Sellers, between the two sellers, it's a buyer's doji. After this seller's candle, who want to enter? Buyers, but they don't enter. Then again, sellers continue. So this is the understanding of the buyers and sellers doji, right? But in the running market, you need to identify the support and resistance, breakout support and resistance, and the doji formation. Sometimes you will find, for example, there is a green candle. Buyers don't want to move up. There is no resistance, no support. The doji form. Now who need to enter? Sellers need to be entered.
Sellers.
But sellers say, no, we are not entering. We are not ready. We are not interested. Then again, buyers will enter. So many times you will find the two dojis. When? In the morning. When the Tokyo session starts. When there are no sellers, no buyers in the market. Buyers don't want to enter, sellers don't want to enter. 5 doji you will find together. So doji is indecision. Indecision means who don't want to take the decisions. The buyers don't want to take decision. The sellers don't want to take decision. That's why we say it's an indecisive candle. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, brother. Any question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How to trade this doji? Go my YouTube channel. You will find the 3 to 4 videos. I'm trading the 5 dojis together. In a row, the 5 dojis appear in a row. And all the trades I won. And other videos are also for the doji trading, because doji is my very interested candle. So yes, because doji always gave me the correct information. This candle can give me the wrong information, but doji, it's impossible to give me the incorrect information. Always correct information it's giving me. Doji breakout, doji support and resistance. So recently support and resistance we are taking, right? But
Yes.
Yes, sir.
if 1 month before in the market, in the chart, if you find the doji, draw the lines on the doji will work 1 month after as a support and resistance. A 1 month older doji can work as a support and resistance. So doji is very important. We will cover this once we clear all the patterns. Then I will again talk on the doji, because it's very important. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, brother.
sir, very much important query I have, sir, actually before one day.
Okay.
Can I draw here, sir?
Yes, you can draw.
Yes, sir. I am drawing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, here two green candle. The size is this like.
Okay.
Means here after we can expect reversal or what, sir? Actually,
Look at
the
today I
Yes,
teach
sir.
you. Today I teach you one thing. This is a if it's moving down, it's a red candle. If it's moving up, it's a green candle. So correct it first, right? So for example,
yes, sir.
it's a red candle, right?
Yes, sir.
And then it's another red candle.
Yes.
When two candles we will edit, same colors candle will be added, right?
Yes, sir. Spinning.
It's a sign of continuation or reversal.
In
A spinning
the
candle is a sign of continuation in the trend, right?
yes.
The
yes,
next
sir.
candle will be the red.
Right. Yes, sir.
When you don't have any answer, then two candles join, you will get the answer.
Okay, fine, sir.
Got it? So when you
Thank you
are
very much, sir.
unable
Thank
to
you.
understand the 10 candles are confusing you, join the 10 candles, you will get the answer. Yes, it's like a dictionary. Okay.
Wow, sir. Wow, wow.
Okay.
What a logic, sir. Actually,
Yes.
salute, salute. Sir.
Because here there are something confusion. Oh, buyers entered, they failed. Then sellers control the market. Then sellers entered, again buyers entered. Now the sellers are getting weak, buyers are getting control. What I need to do? There is no answer. Then if you combine, then this candle is saying still the candle body is red, means the sellers are still active. Now you can see here why they are active. The lower rejection minus into upper rejection, there will be zero. You have a simple concept of the mathematics, right?
Yes, sir.
So plus into minus. So this upper wick goes into lower wick. What's remaining? Body.
Body.
Follow the body. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Oh, it's okay, brother. So these topics are planned. Also, I will teach in the wick reading, wick and body reading. But there are queries. You are all the experienced traders. You have these queries. So no problem. When you ask any question, I will answer. It's not a problem. Okay, brother. So see you on the Monday, inshallah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
you,
Have
sir.
a nice day too.
Thank you.